Hi, my name is Venkatesh Radhakrishnan. I am founder of a company called KubeSense. Well, KubeSense is an observability platform, eBPF and large language models powered observability platform for instant observability, which takes care of your application performance monitoring, log management, infrastructure monitoring with AI, RCA and AI solution recommendation. It was great. Okay, right from the moment I received the event, I looked at the lineup of speakers, and the entire program scheduled for all the 4 days. It was surprising because the content is totally different from each program for each speaker. So there was no overlap between the content provided by any of the speakers. And I noticed that even not just for me, and I can talk on behalf of all the attendees who attended this, I noticed that everybody was interested in it. Unlike other conferences where 50% of the people will always be outside networking or talking to others, here at least 99% of the people were always inside focusing on the content, listening to the attendees and listening to the speakers. And every speaker ran out of time. Yeah, I'm trying to learn about the dynamics, how people buy products here, people buy high value products here. So when I learned that you'll have to be in the market before you start selling the product, learn about the market. So I learned this here with this program. So I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to be here for the next 6 months to 1 year, understand the market, build relationships, and then start pitching the product. There are many, I cannot name one. So based on the segment or the market you are operating in, there are specific learnings which we learned from this event. Okay, and I'm going to apply this. So one is the location, the product segment, the market segment you are in, and based on that, what it takes to build and sell something in that space. So in my case, okay, we are selling a deep tech product, and we sell to mid-market enterprises. So, I learned that there is rationalization happening across industry. When we are at right time, though the times are difficult, but there is an opportunity. We learned about that only because of this event. So we're trying to focus on that. We're trying to approach people or identify people who are going through that rationalization activity and try to reach out to them and see where it takes. This was a great event, but it is a kind of generic one which touched everything. So right from GTM to building products to building AI products, building Gen AI products, selling Gen AI products. So maybe in future, maybe I would like to see if there is a domain or vertical focused event. For example, maybe if maybe a bunch of people are building in the healthcare space. So maybe if you can do a program specifically for these guys who are building healthcare space and bring in experts from that domain, the speakers, maybe some kind of socialization with the industry leaders, like the one you did yesterday in the CAO meetup, or CAO Connect. So if you can do something like that, I think it will be more valuable, so that they get an opportunity to go deep into the domain, understand nuances, understand the problems, and realize how to solve the problem specific to that industry. I think that will be very helpful. So that is one domain. Maybe healthcare is one domain, or Gen AI focus for enterprises alone. It can be a 2-day thing or 1-day thing. And maybe deep tech products or only infrastructure products. So here in today's event, we talked about infrastructure products. We talked about enterprise Gen AI products. We talked about healthcare products. We talked about generic SaaS products. It was good, but in the next sessions, if there is something very focused on a vertical, a domain, I think it will be very helpful.